Page 8, my fifth. On this page and the next page, they're introducing you to an interval of a fifth. I've already explained the intervals, so this shouldn't be a problem. We're in the key of C major, which is all the white keys on the piano. So we go from C to C. It could be any C. We don't care what C. I'm just using these because they're convenient. And I simply count up to 5. So the note you're counting on, the note you're starting on is always 1. You'll never start with 0. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an interval of a fifth. All fifths. That's it. In the lesson, you know it. Okay, good. And this is what it is. And if you look at the music there, you'll learn to recognize a fifth when you look at the music, because the notes, both notes will be on a line or a space, and there will be a line or a space in the middle. And they're easy to come. See, a third, they're on a line or a space, but they're next to each other. A fourth, it's a line and a space, one of them, they're different. And a fifth, they're both lines or both spaces. But there's a line or a space in the middle. So if both notes are on a line, there'll be a line in the middle. If both notes are on a space, there'll be a space in the middle, in the music, in the written music. And you're in 5-finger position like we've been in C position, the top and bottom note, that's a fifth. A couple minor things, they're not really minor, they're important, it's all important. As you look at the music, you'll see the dynamics. In the first line, it's P, piano, all the way across. In the second line, they put it below the staff. They really shouldn't do that. It should be between the staffs. But the first 2 measures are P for soft, and then the last 2 measures are F for loud. And so you can do the dynamics. And in case you're wondering about these words, let me just explain that in the symphony that's called Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, the interval is a third that they're using, but it's called the Fifth Symphony because it's symphony number 5. It has nothing to do with the interval. That's a little misleading. So let's just go through this, my fifth, for the practice of reading the music and playing the notes and all that. 3/4 time. I'll give us 3 counts and let's just play this. I don't really think I need to explain anything more. We've had all this before. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, off.